In the concept of PowerPoint, a column is a format that organizes text or graphical content into vertical or horizontal blocks within a slide. Now, just by using columns, you can distribute your content in a way that's neat and tidy, which helps prevent the audience from feeling overwhelmed. And if you want to know more about adding columns on your PowerPoint slides, this video is perfect for you to watch. Now, for the first method, begin by heading to the View tab, select Slide Master to access the underlying slide layouts. Then choose a layout that fits the overall style of your presentation. Then click the Insert option. From here, you can pick a 2-column layout or more, depending on your needs. This foundational step ensures that all your slides stay consistent in formatting and design, providing a professional look to your presentation. But another method you can try to do is customize text boxes for columns. So to personalize your presentation, customizing text boxes for columns can be quite useful. So you can begin by selecting an existing text box or create a new one by clicking on the Insert tab, then choose Text Box. Once you have your text box, navigate to the Home tab, where you will find the columns icon, which is a small but mighty tool for adjusting number of columns. Then click on it to split your text box into 2, or opt for more columns to specify your desired configuration. And just like that, you have now tailored your slide's text to match your content needs perfectly. Now that's how you can add columns in your PowerPoint slides in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.